Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Homestyle Creation. We spend most of the time in the kitchen, either preparing our meals for the day or we are fulfilling a family requirement. But before that, we need to see how we keep our things in the kitchen so that if we are not around, any of our family members can easily look for the item itself. So, in today's video, I would be taking you around my pantry corner or a pantry organizer that how I have organized it. I'm a working mother and I also take care of my home. But to keep my work steady, to keep my work going, I make sure that everything is kept in a proper way and in an organized manner. This not only save my time but also help me in working effectively. So, in today's video, you will be seeing how I have organized my pantry, and with this, you will also get encouraged and you will rethink about how you can also organize your pantry. So, let's get started. 2 years back, when I shifted to my new apartment, I used to keep everything in this plastic bag or like this only. But then it was becoming very difficult day by day to manage things. Finally, my search got over. I found these beautiful glass containers in home center and decided to purchase them. When I poured all the item in these containers, it gave a very beautiful look to my cupboard. This is a 800 ml container and this is 1 liter container. You can see the items inside this are easily and clearly visible. There is no need of putting a label in it. It gave a very clear look of the pulses or any other item that you put inside it. You can easily have a quick view of what is kept beside this or behind it. I bought this 800 ml container because I wanted to store all my breakfast related item in this. You can see this container in this I used to put vermicelli, but I have kept it empty to show you that I can easily see it. Behind that there are other items of breakfast and that too are easily visible. It was always there in my mind to go for this lock glass containers because there are certain items that we use in huge quantity. Like this is tur dal, rice, chole, rajma. Since there was a shortage of container, I have placed this pea in this container as of now, but soon I would be shifting it to my another container. I have been using this anti-slip mat for a very long time. It does not allow the container to slip over. It keeps it very steady. See how beautiful my cupboard look. I have divided my cupboard beautifully. Now let's see my other cupboard. In this cupboard I have tried and kept all my munching items and some of my highly used spices. The containers that were left from the pulses I have shifted to this, but very soon I would be changing it also. In some of these I have kept my salt, my all masalas. You can see I have placed my nuts over here. Behind that I have placed some other items. This is oats. I have not changed the container for my turmeric because turmeric tend to lose its color. So I have been using this container for a long time. In the below shelf, I have kept all the munching items which are mostly being used by my son as well as by my husband. An anti-slip mat, as I discussed, it's a very good mat. I would recommend to you all to purchase it. I found these container in Amazon and I decided to bought it. The best part about this is it is in a square shape. It does not take more of a space. The round container take more space, but this did not take more space. I like the cap color as well. So I have purchased 4 as of now. but very soon I would be adding it more. These plastic containers are also good, but as I said, plastic is plastic, so I decided to change it. My son is a big fan of having chocos as well as this mud tree, so I have decided to keep it in this. Whatever item is left, I try to use this basket and keep it here so that whosoever open the cupboard and the container is empty, they can easily look for it in the basket. I have not thrown any of my old containers, plastic container as of now, but yes, I would be changing it soon. I got this cupboard made recently. Many of my pantry item in this as well. Storing pulses, spices and other small item is a big task, so I have decided to make use of basket. I have taken a big and a small size basket. Like in this basket, I have kept all the open items. In this, it's a complete variety of spices that I have and which I regularly use it. This is a packet of makhana and some fries that my husband and my son normally take. Below this, in this basket, I have kept all my nuts. This basket is specifically for all my tea. Behind that are all my pulses. In this drawer, I have kept all the small snacks item. This was a basket that I got during Diwali, so I have reused it and kept small item like Maggi, biscuits. And the basket which is behind this, I have kept all the seal item. And it is easily within my son's reach. Everything can be easily seen. This is his Horlicks container that I have kept it over here. So this is the top shelf of a cupboard. In this area, I have kept the egg box. I have shared the link in the description box for you all. I got this beautiful tray from Store 99 and I have decided to make it a complete tea time area. I have kept a sugar container, tea container, my coffee container, my disinfected wipes, Chyawanprash for my son, a jaggery powder. All this is one place. This is an egg boiler. Since I have kept the egg in the same rack, so I decided to keep the egg boiler so that it becomes easy for everyone. My microwave is there. As a famous quote says, it's never too late to start anything. So, I hope this video would have helped you not only in organizing your pantry but would have also given you ideas how you can also organize your pantry. So, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family to get more updates on organization and many more. Till then, take care.